What's going on, guys? I'm here with Ray, and we are going to be talking about his maps that he's got. Tell us more about your maps, Ray.
Well, we've been doing maps of Angeles since 1992.
1992?
Yeah, we
That's
had
going a long ways back now.
Yeah.
Telling your age a little bit here.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
So we have the maps on our counter. I'm going to show you what they're about. He's got this this map project that he's got. You show maps of Angeles, Barrio Barreto, Subic Bay.
Yes.
Where else?
Well, online we've got most places in the Philippines, but actually in print we're just doing Subic and Angeles City at the moment.
You started in Subic or here?
We started distribution in Subic.
You started doing the maps in Subic, then it grew into Angeles.
Yeah, I came back after COVID, first time last year, and guys needed help with the vendors who were on their photo huts. So I thought, yeah, I could do something.
Well, his maps are very popular because we've refilled them twice on our countertop here. At this point, people just keep grabbing them. So we're going to show you what it's all about, guys. You want to walk over here with me?
We'll do it.
Let's walk over and take a look, see what's going on.
As he calls
After you, sir. We are busy here in the restaurant, guys. We have like tons of people today eating, having lunch and breakfast. Let's go up to the countertop. We'll show you all about these maps. Right here. So right here, guys, we have the Angeles City Pocket map right here. We're almost out again, Ray. Look at this. We just brought these in a couple days ago, right?
I left a whole stack of them.
And they're flying out of here. So show us what you got going on here. Okay. These are all points of interest, restaurants, bars.
All the bars, restaurants, hotels are all listed. This one's Fields Avenue and 1st Street.
Yeah, it's a lot of information on here.
On Walking Street.
So you got that separated here at the bottom. I'll try to not put a shadow on it.
It's a blow up of this area here.
Oh, that's it. The yellow area right here is blown up down here a little bigger. So you got all the bars, restaurants on Walking Street. Of course, we got all down here, all the way down Don Rico Fields and 21st Street, which turns into 21st Street, of course.
Over
then,
to SM up the top.
Oh, you got SM Mall up here, and then if you flip it over, it keeps going.
We have Perimeter Road.
Perimeter Road's on here. I see. Of course, we got the Drake right here.
We've got the Drake right there.
We got the Drake right here on here.
And Papi'S.
You got Papi'S down here. Yeah. Margarita Station.
Yeah, the new location of Margarita Station.
The new location,
which
yep.
is next week. Apparently.
Next week coming up. Thumb Star is also part of it, who we also promote. Mr. Lee's business over in Barrio Barreto. A lot of people like to come from Angeles and vice versa and go on the Thumb Star van. So they're a contributor and holder of your map as well.
Yeah,
at Thumb Star.
Distributing.
Yeah, they distribute everything.
Key.
It sure is. Now we have also a pocket map that's a little larger than that. This is like the free version that people can pick up in certain areas. Now we also have one that's a paid version.
Double the size of that.
It's double. I think I have one.
Size.
I think I have one. I put it behind the counter so nobody would steal it. I didn't want to give the paid version away because these will run out. Anyway, we are busy today at the Drake and the restaurant.
I was surprised it's hard to get a seat in there today.
Hard to get a seat.
I came up for the cheap.
You came up to
bastard.
get the. Oh, you came for the cheap bastard. That's what brought you. How many? You could have like 2 of those.
I could eat
to make a full breakfast.
Yeah, still good.
Then you could almost get a breakfast like everybody else. You get 2 cheap bastards, right? Well, that's great.
And it's good to go in there and announce it to the bar.
It gives everybody a laugh, right? Give me a cheap bastard. Coming right up, sir. Yes. You guys got to come by. Here's the menu, the of the restaurant, guys. We got so much going on here. Pizzas, calzones, breakfast. There's that cheap bastard down there. I told you it's there. We didn't leave that off the menu. That's a real deal. All of our appetizers, our wings, our burgers, our steaks, our wraps, soups, salads, meatloaf, French dip. You can't go wrong coming in here, guys. Well, I guess the girls gave up. The girls gave up. I'll find it. I know it's here. All right, we found the Pocket map, the big one. Here it is. I'll show you what we've got here. Ray's got a bigger, better size, more easy to read than the version on the counter here. If you are are you visually impaired? You need the bigger map.
Yeah. Well, no, we're not getting any younger.
Yeah, for those that can't see as well, kind of like our menu.
There we are.
There we go. So now you got a bigger, better version of this map.
That's upside down.
Oh, there we go. Now we got a bigger, better version of this map as well, and you can see it a lot better. You got the Jeepney schematic map. Oh, so you got the Jeepney routes here. That's important. And then what else we got? Downtown Angeles City is even on here. So that's not on the small map, right?
That's not on the small map.
So what? This is on the big map. The Jeepney route on the big map. Yeah. Anything else exclusive to the big map that the small one doesn't have?
There's a map of Angeles.
An entire map. Area. Okay, the general area here as well.
Clark up here.
A little bit of Clark on it. But yeah, a lot bigger. This map is much bigger. Yeah. There we go. Big.
Especially Perimeter Road.
Oh yeah.
The whole stretch instead of
two-sided. Yep. And there's a nice big Papi'S bar and chill right here in the middle. I love that.
Yeah.
Check that out. You know where we're at, right in the middle of everything here. So yeah, this spreads out a lot better.
Yeah.
You got Balibago stretched out, Diamond subdivision. Yeah. Very good. So these are available too at the counter. But these are for purchase.
These are for sale.
Yeah, these are for sale. The smaller map just gets you hooked. Then you say, I can't see this little map. I need a bigger map.
The smaller map is cheap bastards.
That's the cheap bastard map.
Goes with the cheap bastard breakfast.
Right, you get one of these small ones. It's a what? How much is the big map?
The big map at the moment is 150 pesos at the counter.
Yeah.
We are doing them online. The price obviously reflects that because we've got to put postage on it. So, yeah.
So we have them available, the bigger map behind the counter if you want one. They're 150 pesos. So that's the deal. So online, you can also go online to your website and see these maps.
AngelusMap.com.
AngelusMap.com. I'll put it on the bottom of the screen right here, guys, for you to go to the website.
And we also have a Subic map, which is subicmap.com.
Okay.
Online. And those are also available at Drake Hotel.
So we will put all this information on here. Ray, thank you for coming by and seeing us all the time. I said, we got to put these maps out here for everybody to see that you know what, people take these maps from our counter. This is the second time you've had to refill it.
They're disappearing quickly.
They're disappearing quickly. People like it. You know what, today with Google and everything like Google Maps, a lot of times people don't want paper maps, but you know what, it's surprisingly important to some people to have that folded up in their pocket. Some guys here are just old school. They don't want to go on Google. They want a real physical map in their hand, and this is it. This is the answer.
I would also add that Google doesn't place all the establishments on the map because it's up to the establishment to place their own place correctly on the map.
Correct. There's so many places they don't take the time to go on Google and update it, so they're there, but you can't find them on Google.
Yeah, this is the real deal.
You can find Ray updates his maps regularly, so if a new business pops up, he's adding it to the map.
And putting Angeles on the map since 1992.
Ooh, look what we got here, guys. We have fajitas. Oh my goodness, and we have quesadillas. And you have a Philly cheesesteak. Yep. Oh my goodness, you guys are going all out. Where are you guys from?
From Mississippi.
Mississippi. Nice. And you are Ann? And?
I'm Todd.
Todd from Mississippi came to see us. They said they had to come in and have some fajitas, Mercy's fajitas, and our good quesadillas here, steak I see. So enjoy, guys. Thanks for coming by and seeing us.
Oh, well, thank you. Thank you for having us.
Mercy's over here with Ray. She's got her jacket on. She's got her jacket on. Yeah, the air conditioning's working well, right?
Yeah.
So the new aircon is proven to be so cold. Mercy's sporting her jacket. Can't come into the Papi'S. You'll be really chilling in Papi'S Bar and Chill.
My feet were like...
Your feet are like ice. Oh man, I'm telling you. Every day's another adventure here. Always something.
You can't keep away.
Can't keep away. Yeah, Ray says he can't stay away. He always comes in for that cheap bastard. He said tomorrow he's coming in for a regular breakfast.
A real breakfast.
He's coming in for a real breakfast, but he's going to get a cheap bastard on the side. Whoa, these guys got to upgrade here. You just went straight to the bucket. You went straight to the bucket of beer. Heck with those.
Why mess around?
I want to know. And Ray ain't messing around here. Buckets of beer at Papi'S, $4.99 this week. Ray said, bring one out.
Save me some money.
Save you some money.
So I can spend more.
So you can spend more in the hotel. There you go. Oh my goodness, Mercy, it's time for lunch. Mercy's got the candied bacon barbecue burger. You want to lift that bun up and let everybody see what's so good,
Yeah,
good inside here? Oh man, you cheater. Like, oh my gosh, look at all the caramelized onions, fried onion rings that we fry here, and the barbecue sauce, bacon, candied bacon we bake in the oven, and a 3rd pound patty.
Sorry, Papi, I couldn't.
Imported beef. I know you had to go for it. Yeah, it is so good. And I am going to go ahead and have me a Cuban sub sandwich, marinated ribeye, lettuce, tomato, grilled onions, these little French fried potatoes on top. That's what does it for me. And I put mayo on here, and that is killer. So how's it tasting? Pretty good? Pretty juicy? Oh yeah. It's been a while since I had a candy bacon barbecue burger, but I had a feeling that I wanted one of these Cuban subs today. I just wanted to do it. So I'm gonna try to make this work. I gotta try to get something in here. It's hard to fit everything on our sandwiches, guys. It's just a mess, but hey, that's what it is. It's good stuff. You gotta just try to eat it, and I guarantee you I will eat all of this. I'm gonna try to get this to all come together here somehow. Let me see if I can start by cutting it in half. That's the only way I can handle this thing. You gotta cut it in half first. And then I'm gonna have to kind of smash it a little bit to get it to fold.
Yeah, it's too big.
That's the way to do it. Keep it all as much as I can in there. So you know it's going to fall all over the plate. There we go. Now that works. Now that's a sandwich, guys. Look at that. These little potato chip fried potatoes on top. Oh, they're all down inside here now. I'm telling you.
How was it, Pa?
Delicious. That marinated ribeye.
It's amazing, right?
It's delicious. I need more mayo though. I like extra mayo. There we
Okay,
go.
wow.
That was for Drake right there, that mayo.
He hates all kind of
Hates mayo.
dressing.
He cannot do it. So that was just for you, Mark.
Delicious, right, Pa?
It is great.
I want to steal a little bite from you. Is that okay?
Actually eat your own food?
Yes.
I don't know if I want to give any up.
I know, Papi.
All right, here.
Look at me. Almost done.
Yeah. I'll give you half my sandwich for half your burger.
All right.
Man, I'm not to my half yet. All right, here, you can have a bite.
Okay.
You can try.
Always.
I share. Now you got your Cuban sub fix.
Oh my God.
I know it. So what do you like better, the burger or the sub?
I
burger?
like both.
Yeah,
like
you were in the mood for the burger, I know. These are delicious, man.
Very good.
I don't know anybody else in town that offers this.
No.
And that's why we brought it on the menu. We used to eat at many Cuban restaurants in Florida, and they always had this Cuban steak sandwich, and I craved it. So I gotta share this with the rest of Angela City. Come in and have one of these Cuban steak sandwiches. It's pretty much exactly the way I remember it back home in Florida. So what did I tell you guys? No problem eating that sandwich. I don't even think there's a piece of lettuce or potato chip left on there. This is it. Oops.
That's
This is
it.
it.
Delicious. It's delicious.
Good to the last bite.